What are you doing now?
Repeat. Now,
Folding the clothes?
yes, the clothes.
Hmm.
And Keisha's little bit help.
Help kasi ate. Help mo si ate kasi ya.
It's now fold.
Yes, good job ate. You know how to do it na?
Yes.
Wow! Congratulations ate. You did great.
And this is the picture of this.
Mm-hmm. Show us how to fold the clothes.
Like this.
Wow!
Like with this like this.
Okay.
And you can fold it down like this.
Wow!
And you can now fold it.
How about you Kisiya? Listen to ate Kisiya.
She's swinging to a chair.
It's okay. Okay, please continue. Okay, Kisiya.
It's like shirt.
Yes.
And look,
What's the color?
blue.
Wow.
And the other one is like the meat.
Mm.
And it's blue too, like this.
Okay. Kisiya, help ate. Busy si Kisiya.
Now it's time.
And this for Kisiya cloth.
There's a hand.
Yes, okay, it's okay. Wow, galing-galing ni ate. Good job si ate. You can do it.
It's so fast.
Wow. Okay, thank you na bangos. Smell good?
Yeah. Bango.
Okay. So, thank you na for your viewers.
Thank you subscribers. Please like and subscribe for my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.